Hello, and welcome back to Omii's Cosplay Creation Station, or welcome to Omii's Cosplay Creation Station. I haven't done a video of these at all. Welcome back anyway. We're going to be working on cosplay. Today, we're going to be working on Hiccup Hadock from How to Train Your Dragon. Technically, from How to Train Your Dragon 2, because we're doing his outfit from the second movie. These are my plans, currently, that we're going to be working on. Plan part 2. Today, we're going to be working on the helmet. Oh, yeah. I'm going to be posting these, like, hopefully regularly-ish. We'll see. I don't know. So if you want to follow along, then you can follow along. I'm also going to be posting some little tiny updates on TikTok and a few little, like, snap pick updates on Instagram. So if you want to check those out, you can. Otherwise, you can just follow this along, and it's going to be the bulk of what I do. But we're going to work on the helmet. So let's get into it. First thing I'm going to do is make a little template out of paper and then transfer it over to this foam. I don't actually know what size foam this is, but it's some kind of foam size. So we're using it. I have different sizes of foam, but only like bits and pieces of different foams. But I think this one will be thick enough to do what I want and thin enough to do what I want. So we're doing this one and hoping that I have enough of it. And if I don't, then I will make do with some other stuff. I don't know. I'll figure it out. All right, let's go. I'm going to do this in the stupidest way possible, but it'll trust the process. Okay. I can't believe I'm recording myself doing this. All right. So I need it to go to about here-ish. So we're going to go this, mark where my nose is, mark where my chin is, and then I'm gonna use my finger and mark where my ear is, about there. Yeah, all right, cool, and we have that done. All right, my hair's a mess, ignore that. But we have this, which whenever it like goes to the side, goes about there, which is kind of what I want. I might make it slightly bigger when I'm actually cutting it out, but we do this, we flip it around to the other side, should work. So that's the bottom piece of the mask. So now I'm gonna put it onto my foam and cut it out. Let's go. All right, I have these two pieces cut out. They look pretty good. Now I gotta cut out the rest of it. So I gotta make the top bit out of paper and then cut out the top bit and then probably glue them together so that I have the face bit, then work on the back pieces. I'm not gonna get all of this done tonight, but I'm gonna see if I can get at least the top piece cut out. We'll see. It's 12:15 and I have to work tomorrow. I think it might be a little bit too late and my brain isn't working right now, so I cannot figure out how exactly to shape that. So I'm gonna do that at a later date and not right now. However, I have both sides of this. So I have this bit cut out. This is under the eye. Goes right there. And then the other pieces are gonna go over the top. But how I'm doing this isn't quite, I don't know, I'll figure it out. Just not right now. Okay, how I was doing it before with this, while I think it could work, I have a different plan that I want to try first and see if it will work. So we're gonna try that first and it's gonna look silly. And that's okay. This is not the first time this video we've looked silly. I was gonna do it with cling wrap. However, I apparently don't have anymore. So instead, I guess I'm doing it with aluminum foil. It'll be fine. That actually might work. End of statement. Might work. We'll see. But we're gonna try and wrap my head with aluminum foil, and I have some duct tape here. Oh, I have duct tape here. I'm gonna duct tape my head, and then I'm gonna cut it off and have a template that I can use. And that's the plan. All right, let's do this thing. I'm gonna look like an egg for a bit. Perfect. All right. This is gonna go great. I'm gonna start. I'm not gonna be able to see. Oh well. How stupid do I look? All right, pretty stupid. Good, good, good. We're getting there. All right, here we go. But I might be able to just pull it off, possibly. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. How are we doing? I know you can't tell me, but how's it looking? Is it looking good? Oh, that's on my face. That's fine. That happens sometimes. Do you think this is one of those, you never know what someone else is doing in their own home situations? Okay, okay. I think the rest of this maybe I can fix afterwards. Oh, let's go. Okay. Honestly, not too bad. I might put this back on so that I can mark where my face is because I didn't do that. Do I have anything to mark it with? I think. Hello? 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 Where did the cap go? Wait, where did the cap go? Ah, there it is. Okay. You know what? Actually, there's my face. Okay. I've cut it out. Well, some of it. I haven't gotten the back yet, but I have this. It's currently taped together, as you can see, and I obviously don't have a wig on, so it's a little bit big on my face. But, you know, hey, it's the shape. Once it has the back bit, I'm hoping... Yeah, I was worried about that. I'm hoping that the back bit will make it so that it stays a little bit better, but we'll see. So yeah, let's do that. No, no. You can stay here, but you cannot attack that. Okay, not gonna lie, currently it looks a little terrifying. But, you know, there's... I don't know if you can see that, but, like, the back's done. It's completely held together with Scotch tape at the moment. I have not put it together, as you can see. And currently, it does not fit over the wig. But that is because I have these pieces right here bunched up so thick. But once I take those down, it should fit over the wig, is my hope. But yeah, look at it. Oh my gosh. Terrifying. I'll fix it. Huzzah. This has been finished. Wow, I don't actually know if you can see that. Wow, look at that. Here, mirror, mirror. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay. Look at it. Look at it. Sorry, I was testing it with the wig on. But yeah, so we have this finished. That's gonna be it for today's video. Next time, we will add all of the details and Dremel it. I need to probably Dremel the bottom a little bit because it's slightly too long for my face, but you know, that's how it goes for right now. But yeah, it's hot glued together for this, but when I put the actual like detail pieces on, I'm gonna use contact cement, so hopefully that'll give it a little bit more support. But yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one where we continue our cosplay. Let's go!